Hi, I'm Rose, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious roasted vegetable salad. For your ingredients, you're going to need some vegetables. I've got some carrots, potatoes, asparagus, and red bell peppers today, but you can use others as well. You'll also need some baby spinach, some salt, pepper, garlic powder, thyme, basil, oregano, and virgin olive oil. So in a lined foiled sheet pan, you want to spread your veggies out evenly, and you're going to be adding some olive oil. You can be generous. I'm one-handed today, but I normally like to take both hands and just toss all of my veggies in the oil so that everything gets coated evenly. Now it's time to spice things up. We're going to go in with some salt. Today I'm using pink Himalayan salt. Now let's go in with some pepper. Salt and pepper here. Let's add some garlic powder. Now some basil. And you can be a little generous with your spices. Next, we'll add some oregano. And last but not least, some thyme. Now we want to just go back in, give it a quick toss, and just make sure all your veggies are spread out nice and flat. Okay, so this is optional, but I love using this butter spray. I like to just give it a nice, even, light coat on top. You want to bake 450 degrees for 25 minutes. So now that our veggies are done, we're going to be adding them to a bed of baby spinach. And this salad is so good, guys. I promise you're gonna love it. It's one of my favorites. We're also going to be making a dressing that I pretty much came up as I went. You want to add some virgin olive oil to a small bowl. Then you want to squeeze a whole lemon into your bowl. We want to come in with a little bit of parsley. We want to add some salt and some pepper. We also want to add a dab of honey. We want to mix this, make sure you mix it really good. And then just pour it over your salad and devour it. It is so good.